again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I don't know if any of you saw the video I did recently of the Belle nail lamp, and I said I've got something else, but I wasn't allowed to show you yet. This is it, guys. This is so smart. So this is a portable, rechargeable nail drill. Look at it. Oh my god. Right, so it comes in this posh little like zip up case. Look at the zip and everything about this is fantastic quality. The lamp that they recently sent me had forward and reverse display, so you could have it facing yourself or facing away from you. Completely wireless, rechargeable, fantastic lamp. I will leave the video link for the lamp below. That lamp came in pink and white as well, I think. So anyway, let's get on with this nail drill today. So that's all the leaflet. It's got all your info that you might need in there. Make sure you read these leaflets, guys, because I didn't read the leaflet from the lamp and totally didn't even know that the display could be turned upside down. So yeah, I had a good read of this one this time. So let's see what it comes with. So it comes with a little pack of your sanding bands. Look at this packaging though, and it's all soft, really cushiony, well protected, right? And we've got a little storage container for your drill bits. It's got some diamond bits in. That's like a little cuticle bit. That's a little cuticle bit as well, I think. And then it's got a little bowl bit. Fantastic little drill bits. A bit to remove. They've included a little drill bit for full application, prep, shaping, filing. Yeah, they've included a little drill bit for everything, I think. And then that's your bit that your sanding band goes on. Really good one as well. It's really tight. Some of them can be crap and really loose, but no, it's a really tight one. Really good one. So I was happy with that. I like that little case as well. And then this cable is what you use to charge it. It's USB Type-C. Yeah, I was just showing you this case again. It's really soft, cushiony. This would be fantastic for a nail tech that travels a lot, because they're quite expensive. You want to keep them protected, don't you? Right, so this is it. And guys, the whole body to this is metal. It's not plastic at all. Every last bit of it is metal. And it's weighted, but it's not too heavy. So we've got forward and reverse, and it's got pause as well, so you don't have to turn your speed all the way down to 0. If you want to stop for a second, you can just pause it. I love that on an e-file, that you can just pause it. And I've never had one with one of these before. It's got like a little protector thing there. I think that's to stop any chippings flying up and hitting you in the eye, and that happens so often with me. So this handpiece, it's got hidden vents to prevent overheating, and it's got a brushless motor in it, guys, which are just well known for their longevity. They just go forever, brushless motors. I think that's why they're a little bit more expensive. Not all these e-files have got brushless motors in them. So yeah, they definitely are built to last, these Belle e-files are. So I'm just going to get it all set up, and I'm going to just quickly show you how loud it is on full power. It is a 35,000 RPM, and I'm going to put it down on my desk on full power as well, just to show you that it didn't move. It's really low vibration. It doesn't tickle your hands or anything. Yeah, I'm just going to turn the volume on just for a second so you can hear how loud it is. It does get a little bit louder when I place it down on my desk, but that's just because it's on a wooden desk and the vibration makes it louder. Right, so now I'm going to try it on my nails. I'm just going to snip my nails down. Just going to snip the length off these nails and I'm just going to file one or two with you. I'm going to use the barrel bit that came with the e-file, and yeah, put it to the test. So, as I said earlier, I never go over 20,000. If it's a decent e-file, you shouldn't really need to. I know a lot of nail techs do, but I'm not experienced with an e-file. They petrify me. So, I've put mine on just 15,000 RPM, and this little drill bit just hammered through these nails. I wish I'd have kept the volume on, but my house was just so noisy that the day I recorded this. But look at that. It whipped it off in no time. So smooth, really quiet. Yeah, nothing but good things to say about it. It's a really good quality e-file. And I know there's a lot of e-files on Amazon. Sorry about that, guys. For half the price. But guys, you're paying for what's inside these e-files. A lot of them seem to do the same job, but they won't last 6 months. You do get what you pay for, and I do know a lot of the time you're paying for the name as well, but when you're buying named branded stuff, you know you're getting good quality most of the time, don't you? But yeah, nothing but good things to say about it. It really impressed me. I'm really happy with it. So I've just filed off those 2 nails. I'll do the rest of them off camera. I'm just going to use a hand file. I don't like filing right down with the e-file. Like I said, it scares me. So I always leave just a little layer, and I get that last bit off with my hand file. And then I'm going to use a couple of the other little drill bits that came with it and try and just finish off a full little manicure. So now I decided to go in with this little ball bit just to get up some of the dead skin around my cuticle area. This did get most of it off. The drill bit's normally included a lot of the time with e-files, and they're normally just standard, cheap, not that clever. But these drill bits felt really good quality as well. I was really happy with them. So I've just used that little ball bit just to get some of the like hard skin off just around my nail. I don't generally use ball bits. I normally just go in with my nippers, but yeah, it did really well. It got rid of all that dry, hard, crusty skin. So finally, I'm just going to use my nippers, and can you see that little bit of skin that first drill bit lifted my cuticle as I was getting the dead skin off? It just then leaves it like that, so you can just nip it off with your nippers. I really liked that drill bit. I'll probably use that going forward on my cuticles. So that's them. I've gave them a little buff and a little clean. Perfect. Easy job. When you've got the right tools for the job, it all works out good, doesn't it? I'm really happy with everything that came with this. Little bit pricey, but again, I think you get what you pay for. It's going to last. I love the case it comes with. The drill bits that it comes with, they can get quite pricey on their own. They seemed really good quality as well. And the little storage container for your drill bits as well. Yeah, I think it's fantastic for a nail tech that travels. Home use is fantastic for anybody that does nails. It's a really good e-file. I didn't find a single thing about it that I didn't like. Actually, I will say one thing. I do wish that I would have liked to have seen, you know, the little clip that clips it to the side of your belt if you work in a salon. and you clip it onto the side of your belt. I'd have liked to have seen that, but apart from that, yeah, I'm really happy with it. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll leave links below of everywhere that it's available. I'll leave a link to the nail lamp video as well. Yeah, it'll all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.